Hey guys, welcome to Design Travel Diary. This channel is all about travel, design, and everything in between. Whether it's exploring beautiful hotels, uncovering hidden gems, or just enjoying unique travel experiences, we're here to share it all with you. If you love discovering new places with a touch of design inspiration, you're in the right spot. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell to stay updated on all the latest adventures. After an exciting day at Universal Studios yesterday, today is going to be a slower, more relaxed day. We're heading east of the city center to check out some beautiful heritage architecture. Later, we'll head to Chinatown to pick up some souvenirs before heading back to Jakarta tomorrow morning. Let's make the most of our final day here. Today, we're trying a new way of traveling around the city, by bus. It's a slower but relaxing way to enjoy the streets of Singapore. We took the bus from Rocher to Duku Road. Here are a few clips from the bus ride, showing everyday scenes around town. As the bus turned onto Joo Chiat Road, the vibe changed completely. This area is known for its antique-looking shophouses and unique character, and you can already see why it's so beloved by locals and visitors alike. Shophouses in Singapore date back to the early 19th century and were designed for both commercial and residential use. We got off the bus and took a moment to explore the surroundings. The highlight here is definitely the architecture. Heritage shophouses with charming, antique designs line the streets, giving this area a unique atmosphere. Of course, we couldn't miss trying some local food as well. We stopped by Dixon Nasi Lemak, a small but well-known spot. Although it used to be here, we recently learned that as of 2024, they've relocated closer to Chinatown. So if you're looking for them, be sure to check out their new location. Since they don't have seating, we headed to Dunman Food Center nearby to enjoy our food. It's a quiet spot, especially during this time of year, with many shops still closed for the New Year holiday. Next, we walked over to Koon Seng Road some 100 meters away to see its iconic, colorful heritage shophouses. These beautiful homes are a perfect example of Peranakan architecture, featuring intricate patterns, pastel colors, and ornate details. Did you know? Peranakan shophouses often feature floral motifs, glazed tiles, and decorative carvings inspired by both Chinese and European design styles. From Koon Seng Road, we went back to Joo Chiat Road, then hopped on a bus and MRT to Chinatown for some last-minute souvenir shopping. Chinatown is a vibrant district known for its beautiful traditional Chinese shophouses and rich cultural atmosphere. We're here at the Chinatown Street Market, a bustling area filled with shops and food stalls. Nearby, you'll also find famous landmarks like the Buddha Tooth Relic Temple and the Sri Mariamman Temple, definitely places we hope to visit next time. While there's so much to see and do here, today, our focus is on picking up some souvenirs. From t-shirts, keychains, and fridge magnets to elegant Chinese-style figurines and home decorations. There's something for everyone. We visited 3 weeks before Chinese New Year, and the festive vibe was already starting to show. With decorations and lights going up, we can only imagine how lively and fun it must be as the holiday draws closer. Actually, there's another great place for shopping in Singapore, which is Mustafa Center, located in Little India. It's known for being open 24/7 and selling a wide variety of goods at affordable prices. It's quite close to our hotel, but unfortunately we didn't manage to take a clip here. And that wraps up our final day here in Singapore. It's been such a fun and memorable trip, and we hope you've enjoyed coming along with us. Tomorrow morning, we're heading back to Jakarta, but we'd love to know, what's your favorite part of this trip? Let us know in the comments. Thank you so much for joining us on this adventure. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future travel stories. We have more exciting destinations coming soon, and we can't wait to share them with you. See you in the next one.